Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly to Google Docs. So guys, very easy. If you want to add Grammarly to Google Docs, first you open any Chrome browser, type here Grammarly, click on Grammarly and Grammarly official site, click it. Download Grammarly. Download running. Click on apps. After click on app, click on Google Docs. Turn on Google Docs. So correct spelling hello, friend, correct spelling friend. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to add Grammarly to Google Docs. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video full or not. Thank you for watching.